You guys see, you can't even move, you can't go anywhere. Snow since January 24th, 2026. I can't even go out. I missed the man they called God Allen that used to come and do all this for me, and the kids is not home. My military daughter is here. Hey God, to come and help mom. The other ones are coming. You can't move the car, you can't open the garage, you can't make any move. You can see. Hey Nwa, how are you?
I'm good.
Thank you for coming out.
You're welcome.
Yvonne was here yesterday, but they couldn't do much.